Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy. The basic equation of photosynthesis shows that plants take in carbon dioxide and water, and using sunlight produce glucose and oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. Using sunlight captured by the plant, these are transformed into glucose, which provides energy for the plant, and oxygen, which is released into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis occurs primarily in the chloroplasts of plant cells, specifically in the chlorophyll pigment that gives plants their green color. Photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth. It produces oxygen for animals and humans to breathe. The glucose created provides energy for plants to grow and forms the foundation of most food chains. Additionally, this process removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Photosynthesis occurs in two main stages that work together to convert light energy into chemical energy. These processes take place in the chloroplast, a specialized organelle in plant cells. The first stage occurs in the thylakoid membranes, while the second stage happens in the surrounding stroma. Let's first examine the light-dependent reactions that occur in the thylakoid membrane. In these reactions, sunlight is captured by chlorophyll molecules within structures called photosystems. The captured light energy is used to split water molecules, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This is why plants produce oxygen for our atmosphere. The energy from sunlight is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADPH, which will be used in the next stage. Next, we move to the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle, which occur in the stroma of the chloroplast. These reactions don't directly require light, but they do use the ATP and NADPH produced during the light-dependent reactions. Carbon dioxide from the air enters the cycle and is fixed or attached to an existing molecule by an enzyme called rubisco. ATP and NADPH from the light-dependent reactions provide the energy and electrons needed to reduce carbon dioxide and form carbohydrates. This process produces glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, or G3P, which can be used to make glucose and other carbohydrates that the plant needs. Finally, the cycle regenerates the initial carbon acceptor molecule so it can capture more carbon dioxide, continuing the process. The two stages of photosynthesis work together in a beautiful process that sustains life on Earth. In the light-dependent reactions, plants capture sunlight and convert it into ATP and NADPH, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. The light-independent reactions then use the ATP and NADPH to convert carbon dioxide from the air into glucose and other carbohydrates. Together, these processes enable plants to convert light energy into chemical energy that powers nearly all life on Earth. This can be summarized in the overall equation of photosynthesis. 6 carbon dioxide molecules plus 6 water molecules plus light energy yields 1 glucose molecule and 6 oxygen molecules.